go over here. I didn't talk about this at all, right? You guys know I love my Racetech seats. I'm gonna do a quick Racetech plug because more people need to hear this. They need to see it. They need to understand it. Unfortunately, a lot of you guys will not listen until you have an accident, have a wreck, or come and sit in one of these seats. So this right here is a Racetech 4119 seat. Very, very, very nice seat. Has a bunch of great features. The 4100 seat is very similar to this. This one's like one step above. It's got some more nice features. 4100 seat is in Slick Rick. 4119, as you guys can see here, is in the Colorado. We've got another 4119 on the way. These seats offer head containment, very important. They got very good shoulder bolstering. The hip bolstering on this, look at the amount of padding on there. A bunch of padding, right? Super comfortable. When you sit in this seat, you are sucked back and down into it. You are in there. You don't have any side-to-side movement. You're not coming out of it. If you do get into a wreck, like what Matt had with a very hard side impact, your head is not going to hit the cage. This seat right here is a lifesaver. It is very important. The only thing that you are attached to in the car is the seat. There's no point to be cheap when it comes to the seat. I tell everybody this way. Matt's going through it right now. He was driving one of our cars, had a Kirky seat in there. $140 seat, $180 seat, whatever, right? He got in that same wreck in one of these seats, he'd have like zero, maybe very minimal medical bills, right? Just because, hey, you wouldn't get hurt. This thing right here would have saved from his head impact. It would have saved from him literally laying the seat over and sliding and hitting the cage. So because of this, right, this seat right here, this $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 investment, if you cheap out on this, you could be spending $100,000 in the long run. So save yourself now. Get your seat. If you guys are interested in a seat, you guys can hit me up on Instagram. I just sold 2 today off of Instagram. I'm gonna take them to the racetrack and the guys are gonna pick them up. Racetech doesn't pay me to say anything. Nothing, right? I would like to talk about the things I believe in, and a safe seat is something that I believe in. So we have 12 right here on this pallet. Look at them. We got a bunch. We got different ones. We got tall. We got wide. We got tall and wide. We got 4119. We got head restraint. We got some with no head restraints. We literally got the fries that'll cross your eyes. So shout out to all the guys at Racetech because they're absolutely awesome to deal with. Brian, Anthony, pretty much everyone that you deal with. It's just a pleasure dealing with them. And my thing is, I don't make any money off of selling these seats, right? We got a bunch to put in a bunch of the cars here. People hit me up, say, hey, they want to buy a seat. We got them, right? I want people to be safe. I want them to be able to go home, go to work the next week, not have to spend any time in the hospital. Wrecks happen. I think part of the thrill of drag racing is the risk, the chance of wrecking. That's what makes it exciting. That's why some people watch it. It's going to happen eventually. If you race enough, you're going to wreck. Be safe. Get your safe seat. Here. Hey, you big ogre. You mind holding this while we unbox? While we unbox a seat or two? Talk to the people. I said Cranky John is here today. Is Cranky David here?
No, Happy David's here.
Oh shit! Why is Happy David here?
It's racing day.
Yeah. All right. So I haven't. How long has this box been here?
2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks it's been sitting here. We got literally 12 of what I consider the most badass seats. All right. I don't even know if they're on here. I got.
It should say what they are. Here, hold on. Before you open them all. Look. Right there, bud.
Yeah, no, but there's 2 seats in this box.
Yeah, they're probably the same thing.
Let's open it up and see.
Oh god.
Hey, look at first. Let's just talk about this. Just coming from Racetech. Look at the packaging. Unreal. Unreal. I need a 4100 tall and wide and standard are the 2 that I sold today.
Probably look up the
part number.
I'm gonna guess that's wide and tall.
Yeah.
Because that one doesn't have.
Yeah, that's standard.
Look at that, hey, you're on it.
Hey, he might hold a camera, but that dude's smart. And I sold 2 sets of aluminum brackets. I think. I don't know. I can't remember. Let's open this guy up right here.
Hey, it's tall and wide. It means I get to test it out.
Shout out to Bryce, the LS Nasty bodyguard. You guys see them whenever we go down to Florida or Louisiana. What am I talking about? If we go down to Florida or we go down to Georgia, you guys will see Bryce there. You guys could probably tell which one is the LS Nasty bodyguard. He's the one that when I'm talking shit on Facebook, he's like, keep going, I like it. But he sent me all these box cutters, so shout out. He's got a badass S10, part of the LS Nasty Racing family. You know what? This looks a whole lot smaller than that, now that you say it.
It looks considerably bigger.
Let's see if I can open this without cutting whoever bought the seat apart.
Sorry in advance.
The tall and wide 4100 series.
WTHR.
Yep. That sucker's bad to the bone, dude. Badass. So I sold two today. So I sold one tall and wide. So I don't want to take them out the plastic.
Yeah, no. Let them have the
Everyone else though, taking the shit out the plastic. So I'm gonna be sitting in them. We gotta take these to track. I need to get two seat brackets. They come with seat brackets if you desire. It depends on how you order it. So I got a bunch of different stuff here. So I don't know what box the seat bracket.
It does not have the. See, look. All right. Well, first things first. If you're taking that car to the track, we got to get the seat out of it because you can't just get the belts out without taking the seat out.
Stop.
Swear to God.
We're gonna put a Racetech seat in the new
everything.
Yeah, everything. But this Trans Am, because of all the reasons I said, they're just safer, they're better, they look better, they feel better, they got head containment. That's the biggest thing for me is the head containment. There ain't much in here, but I don't want it rattling around. And this thing is just god awful ugly.
So they use this lovely 6-point socket.
Oh yeah.
And they're so long that you can't get to it with the seat in there.
Dude, this is some crazy.
It's got feel underneath. It's got bars.
Like, yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's got some crazy sort of fabrication stuff in there. But this should come out pretty easy.
Well, the back brace, yeah, but
yeah, the back brace.
Those bottom ones are a little tough to get to. Oh, it's loose.
Yeah, you like a nice loose seat. Oh, dude, do you feel this shit too?
Oh
it's
yeah,
like
no,
sticky.
I've already had to wipe my hands off.
Work in progress.
Yeah.
This thing will look real sporty with the Racetech in it, though.
Oh,
huh?
definitely.
All right, we're gonna put the camera down. We'll get this out. I got some new belts to put in there. I got. How many boxes of these do I have laying around?
I think 6 more.
I don't know why I have so many of these impact 2-inch wide. I'll tell everybody this. This is my preference. I don't like the 3-inch wide belts. The dig into your neck, 2-inch gets the job done. A little bit more freedom. You feel a little more comfortable in the car. We just put a set of 2-inch in BJ's cars. You like them? Fits on the Hans way better, no? Way easier on the Hans too. If you got to wear a head and neck restraint, don't wear the foam roll. Useless. You might as well just break your own neck at that point if you're gonna wear it. God, that's terrible. Get a Hans, get a Simpson hybrid. The seat belt goes, the shoulder belts go over it, hold it secure to you, hold you secure to the seat. The 3-inch wide stuff, really nothing's made for it. So I don't know why the 3-inch is so popular. I guess it's just like
industry standard.
Industry standard. Yeah, everyone uses the 3-inch. I like the 2-inch. There's nothing wrong with the 3-inch if that's what you like. More power to you. My personal preference, 2-inch is way easier to get strapped in, more comfortable. Now, when you get into a wreck, I guess the surface area being larger would probably be like you won't have the bruises there, but I'll take some bruises.